Hey YouTube, how are you? I hope you're doing good. If not, I hope you do now. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I like to clean my makeup brushes. I learned this technique from Michelle Phan since I started doing my makeup. And the technique is quite simple. You can find all of these ingredients right in your kitchen. Let's get started now. You will need a dish or white plate, any antibacterial dishwashing soap, olive oil, and a glass. First, I'm going to be using antibacterial soap, a little bit of this, and olive oil. Make sure the ratio of your dishwashing liquid is more than olive oil. The reason why I'm using antibacterial dishwashing liquid soap is that to kill the bacteria, get rid of dirt and gunk on my makeup brushes. And why olive oil is used is to re-nourish the makeup brushes. Also, make sure to have a towel and napkin with you so that you avoid creating mess. And see how dirty these brushes are. Now, time to wash your brushes. Make sure you have warm, lukewarm water, not too cold nor too hot, so that your brushes aren't damaged. And washing them while facing downward, so that the shape of the brush is not ruined. Make sure to get rid of the excess water by pressing it gently. Taking a glass and placing the brush downward so that it is against the gravity. The reason why it's placed against the gravity is so that the water does not enter inside your brush, or else it will ruin it by loosening up the glue, which will result in the fall off of your brusher. Alright, so for brushes like these, I'd like to use my blow dryer to dry them, as you cannot do against the gravity method here. So for this, what I like to do is use my blow dryer and dry them at cooler temperature. The reason, so that the heat doesn't damage them. Alright, again we're going to dry them upside down so that the shape of the brush is maintained. And voila, we're done. Look how clean and nice they look. So soft. So if you really like this video and it was useful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment below your tips and tricks and how you like to clean your own makeup brushes. Also, don't forget to subscribe to me if you haven't already. And yes, do share this with your family, friends, puppies, kittens, or with anyone you could possibly can. Till then, have a good day or night wherever you are. Stay amazing. Bye guys.